let's unbox this camera. What's here? Okay. User manual. Drill template. It's for cable. And here is the camera itself. And that's it. Here is a slot for SD card, so I'm going to add it. Okay. I have such SD card. Okay. Okay. This is a cable box. I bought it separately. Let's check what's inside the box. Drill template and the box itself. Okay. Screws. Yes. Every time before mounting the camera, first of all, I'm activating it. So I'm connecting it directly to switch, PO switch. Okay, here's the cable in the switch. And connecting camera. It's connected. Yeah. Okay, and now we need to go to my computer and activate camera through some software, using some software. Yeah, we need SADP tool software. That one. I will leave the URL in the video description where you can download it. So let's open it. Yes, here it is, and it shows all the cameras in my network. As you can see, there is one camera inactive, which was just connected a couple minutes ago. Yeah, so we need to activate it to see. Maybe we need to assign correct IP address. At this moment I see this IP address works. Well, we need to change gateway. Here is the gateway, because it should be advanced to 54. It's IP of my router. Okay, let's try to do it. Yes, I need to create password. I have entered the password. created a password. Yes, and now I will press activate. Device is activated. Okay, here's security questions. Not reserved. Well, yes, I'm using that one, just entering my email, where if I will forget the password will be sent to my email. Okay. Yeah, so the camera was activated. I'm thinking just to change the IP address. Let it be 81 and gateway 254. Okay, other than that. Okay, and we need admin password. Okay, press modify. Completed. IP address was changed. Gateway was changed as well. Let's try to reach that camera through web browser. We need to enter the IP address of it. 168.1.81. Yes. Here we need to enter the admin and the password which we created just a while ago. Okay, and press login. Okay, what we can see in my server room camera showing the doors, so it's working. Cool. Now it's working, so now we can mount it on the wall. We need to take this cover from cable box and put it on the camera. Okay, like this. Here. Yes. Like this. And this box should be mounted on the wall. I have mounted cable box, then added RJ45 jack on FTP cable, connected to camera to check if it's working, and it's working, so I can finish installing it. Here we go, camera is ready.